Hey Trevor, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And the first thing that I see here is that it looks pretty good. We've got a nice picture here, nice logo, pretty good layout. Something that you would want and spread throughout here is some more call to actions just so that people can contact you a little bit easier. Another thing would be content. The reason that we want more content is because Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7, just looking through content for keywords. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your website with those specific keywords embedded throughout there. An example of a good keyword for you would be Tulsa Foundation Repair because people are searching this every month. The first thing that pops up when we search that are these ads, but if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack, and I see that you are here, which is really good because about 30% of business goes here, 30 to 40%, and so you're ranking up here because you have higher citations, 5-star reviews, and photos on here than some of these other businesses, so you'd want to make sure you're up here in every service location and all the keywords that you have. You want to be in the top 3 here. So that's awesome that you're there. If we scroll down, this is considered the organic search. In the top business, we're going to skip these top 10. The top business here is Eden Structural. And so let's see if you're on here. So you are not on this top organic listing here, and so a lot of the rest of the 70 to 60% of business would be found on this organic search, and people generally stay towards the top. They usually don't scroll down too far, let alone go past the second page, and I didn't see you on the first page of this organic listing. So let's see why Eden Structural is ranking so high for this keyword. If we go to their website, they have some call to actions spread throughout here, so that's good at converting customers. Let's see, they got a good layout. Another thing is they don't have enough content either, so that would be easy to beat them out on. If I plug in Eden Structural into Ahrefs, it just shows us the back end of their website. So UR and DR, that's power and trust, and so they have 38 and 31 for power and trust. And what makes those numbers here are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And so backlinks are just shout outs from other domains linking to their website. They have just under 3,000 backlinks. Now if we compare that to your site here, you have the UR and DR, which is again your power and your trustworthiness, 22 and 13. So we'd want to bump these numbers up just to even higher than what Eden Structural has. And so how we would do that is we'd get more referring domains, but we want to make sure that they are not spammy links. So we want to make sure they're high quality because they have quite a bit more domains here. So something that we could do is we could just go in here and the good domains and backlinks that they have, we could just copy it. So if it's working for them, it'd work for you. So let's see, they have quite a bit of organic keywords where some of their traffic is coming from. Let's see some buyer intent keywords. Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400 people are searching a month. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350 are searching a month. In the list, it just goes on and on with keywords, and we want to make sure that you have the buyer intent keywords for the services that you provide as well as the service locations. And so if you want to get started on some of those tips that I was mentioning earlier, the content on your website, and making sure that you have those citations and everything just to beat out the other ones for the map pack. But if you ever need any help, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.